It's literally my first time hearing of each and every single fragrance in this video. But today, we get to try them together. What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady. And I'm back today with another beautiful video. Hi, guys. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing great. So today we get to try out new perfumes that were sent over to me from Lattafa, Nigeria. Thank you so much, guys. From two houses, the house of Riffs and the house of Arabiyat My Perfume. So let's start with Riffs. The first one is Abeer, and it comes in a beautiful packaging. Look at Abeer. She's so pink and girly. I cannot wait to try this baby out. What does Abeer mean in Arabic? I'm not quite sure. It must mean something like pretty. But this packaging is really pretty. Look at the bottle. Hey, hello, welcome to my collection. Okay, let's try her out. Atomizer is okay, not the best, but it's okay. Wait, I know this fragrance. This is Yara. You guys, this is Yara, the OG pink Yara. This smells exactly like it. That milky, powdery, milkshake kind of creamy thing going on. This is soft. This is soft and clean. Soft babes, clean girls, you would like this scent. It's quite rosy. Obviously, it has roses on the packaging, but it's rosy. It's strawberry-ish. It's milkshake-ish. You know, it's Yara-ish. Yeah, it literally reminds me of Yara. It's that kind of Yara plus additional roses. Think Yara, a little bit less sweetness plus roses and musk. This is what you have here in Abeer. It's a floral fragrance, and you guys know I don't dig floral fragrances much, but this one is elegant, and it seems like if I give it time, it might just develop to its full potential. So we're gonna keep that. So that was Abeer. Let's move on to the next one from the house of Riffs Prive Rouge. Now, with the red packaging, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Do you know what I'm thinking, Baccarat? Yeah. That's what I'm thinking, but let's confirm. It might end up not even being close. But it is also called Prive Rouge. So, you know, my senses are on high alert. It opens up like so. Wow. That bottle is stunning. That is so pretty. That is literally one of the reddest reds I've ever seen. It looks like one of these Club de Nuit bottles. But I'm interested in the juice, so let's go. Atomizer on this one is still better. Alright, let's go in. I was right. This is a more fresher version though. If you like that Baccarat Rouge, you know what I mean. You're gonna like this. But this is a more fresher version. Let's go check the... Did I check the notes for Abeer? Let's check both of their notes. So from Fragrantica, for the notes of Riffs Prive Rouge, you have musk, white cedar extract, saffron, and jasmine. It's the saffron and jasmine that gives it that BR540 kind of nuance. It is yummy, but it's a bit fresher to me. Musky, definitely, but I smell something fresh, although I cannot get anything fresh from these notes. It feels like the notes are incomplete. But I got it straight from Fragrantica, so who knows? This is good. If you like Baccarat with 540, but with something a bit more fresh and sweet, a bit sweeter and fresher, then definitely go for Prive Rouge. As for Abeer, straight from Fragrantica as well, you have the top notes being bergamot, almond, and neroli. Then at the heart note, you have ylang ylang, freesia, and peony. At the base, you have tonka bean, vanilla, and musk. All of this jumbling together just make it smells like sweeter Yara, a more feminine Yara, very soft kind of Yara. So far, so good. I like it. These two They are giving what they are supposed to give. This is smelling so pink and girly, and this is, you know, Baccarat with 540. Okay, so let's try out the third one, also from the house of Riffs. This is called Ultimatum, and I cannot wait to see. I cannot wait to smell, actually. Oh, guys, I almost dropped it. It removes like so. Oh my goodness, I almost dropped the bottle. So this is Ultimatum. The bottle is kind of like champagne gold, but it's very reflective. So it's going to just reflect into the camera, into your eyes. So don't worry, I'm saving you all of that. But this looks nice. Let's check out how it smells. For Ultimatum, atomizer is not good on this one either. This one is sweet vanilla. Sweet, floral, vanilla, and nutty. Sweet, floral, vanilla, and like almonds. I don't know which particular nuts are in here, but it sure smells to me like almonds. It's nutty. Does it have tonka bean in here? It smells delicious, actually. Spicy. So each time I go in, I smell a different thing. So far, so good. We have nutty, spices, a bit of vanilla, floral, and something like tonka bean at the background. I might be wrong. I'm going to check the notes, but it's good. It smells feminine, okay? It has a kind of champagne-like feeling. It's not super boozy, but it's lovely. It's pleasant, it's girly, it's soft, it's airy. It's for my ladies that don't like perfumes that are super intense, but you want to smell nutty, soft, welcoming, and warm. It has this warm nuance. It has this warm thing going on, and sweetness. And powderiness. Did I mention powderiness? Ultimatum, this is good. I like it. I like it. I wasn't expected to like this one, but I like it. It's not unpleasant to my nose. Everything is just pleasant. I like it. Let's go check the notes. So for the notes of Ultimatum, at the top you have chestnut. That's it. That's it. I was getting something nutty, but I didn't know which nut it was. At the heart you have lavender and sage. Aha! That's why it's so, you know, feminine, girly, comforting. Lavender. And then at the base you have vanilla. Just vanilla. I smell way more. I could have sworn that this has a lot more notes. Just vanilla at the base. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. For my baby girlies that don't like anything too much, it's like soft vanilla, clean, girly, feminine kind of scent, you're gonna love Ultimatum and Abeer so far. So now let's move on to the house of my perfumes. Two fragrances from their house. Let's check them out. We have Conquer and then we have Habiba. So let's try Habiba because the color is red and I'm so intrigued. When a bottle or the packaging is red or burgundy, count me in. I'm so interested in this one. Okay, how does Habiba open? I have no idea how it opens. Oh, okay. Almost. It almost fell out. Guys, look at this packaging. Oh my god. Can't tell me this packaging ain't pretty. Come on. How come I never found out about this fragrance? Okay, Habiba. Beautiful atomizer. Beautiful. Stunning. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so juicy, fruity, sweet. And that is apples. Apples and like candy. Baby girls, this is a discovery. It smells like Badi Al Oud Sublime. It smells like my Badi Al Oud bottle. I'm looking at the bottle right now in front of me. It smells like Badi Al Oud Sublime, the red bottle, this one. It is so sweet, candy-ish, juicy, fruity, appley. Sweet, seductive apples and musk and like candies. I don't smell any florals, just freshness, sweetness, syrupiness. This is my kind of fragrance. It smells like an apple drink, like an apple juice. Like, you know how Indomitable smells like Fanta, like an orange juice or orange drink? This one smells like apple juice or apple drink. So bright, fresh, energizing, sweet. Baby girls are gonna love this one. Baby girls are gonna love this one, and I bet it's gonna macerate beautifully. Yeah, that is really good. Let's go check the notes. We need to check the notes. For the notes of Habiba, at the top you have apple, green, and lychee. I don't know what green are. Maybe green notes, and then lychee. Apple and lychee are doing the most. I love lychee in fragrances. Lychee and apple. Imagine how delicious this smells. It smells really good. It's kind of gourmand. The hot notes, you have ambery, red fruits, and white flowers. More red fruits. I really don't get the florals. I don't get the florals. At the base, you have caramel, moss, and musk. I do get the musk though. It's very, sexy. I don't get any caramel and I don't get any musk. I like it. It is said, I don't know. It is sensual, it is soft, it is, sexy. Yeah, you know. That is so good. If I were to make a video about sexy, seductive, oh my God, I have so many. I think we are due for a sexy, seductive video. What do you think? This is going to be one of them because that is really good. That is really, really good. On to the next one. Okay, so the next one, the last one. The last one on the list. This is Conquer from the house of my perfumes. And let's see what this baby is all about. Conquer. I've never heard of this one as well. Okay. I'll be careful with this one. I think it opens up like so. Yeah. Oh, I have an idea. Okay. I have an idea. Bottles that look like this. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Camera DNA, Cocktail Intense DNA, Teriyaki Intense DNA, Artisan Ethnic DNA, Angel shit. For Conquer, Atomizer is beautiful. That's a beautiful bust. I love that. I do not get the DNA that I was expecting. This is a sweet, fresh floral. Are we checking the same things? This is a sweet, fresh floral. Sweetness, freshness, and floral. No booziness, no camera DNA, nothing like that. Maybe even a little bit of vanilla. Juicy, sweet, intoxicating. I want more. I want more. I want more. I want more of this. I want more. I'm not wrong. Sweet, addicting, inviting, intoxicating, fresh, floral. How is that possible? I love it. I love it. I love it. This one and this, I think are my favorite fragrances that I've unboxed today. If you can only get two. If you can only get two out of this video, get this and get this. Get this. Fresh, beautiful, effervescent, bubbly, sparkly, fresh, sweet, floral. I keep repeating the same things, but there's something different about this particular fragrance. It's sort of addicting. I don't know what to put in there. We're going to have to check the notes, but it's really intoxicating and addicting and pulling me in. What do we do? Yeah, this one is good. If you find Conquer, grab this one and thank me later. You know your wing lady. Grab that one and thank me later. This was fun. I've really enjoyed myself. Thank you, Lattafa Nigeria. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, like it. Then subscribe to my channel for more of me. And until next time, you guys, I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao.